I have come for a workshop with Sumit sir, and it was really very exciting. The location was very beautiful, and I really enjoyed. This was my first workshop, and first time I hold my camera. It was very exciting, and I really loved it. And I will see next time I'll come to Pune. I'll do more workshop with sir. Okay, thank you.
So working with different modes of shooting, aperture priority. जैसे आपके उसमें कैमरा में AV बटन है, AV. Yes, there is AV.
Okay.
So there you can control the aperture, but there is one dial button where we have M, AV, TV, P. So M is manual, and for you also it's M. In Nikon also M.
Yeah.
In Canon we have it's AV mentioned, aperture priority. In Nikon we have A mentioned. In the dial button you can see A.
Yeah.
So that is A and equal to AV in Canon. But in Canon we have in Nikon we have very simple term S. S is for shutter priority. TV also shutter priority. But it is like that. Aperture priority, shutter priority, TV, and then we have P. The last is the P mode. It's we call programmable flexible mode. So camera will see the lighting, how the lighting is coming to the sensor. Accordingly, it will give you a good combination of aperture and shutter speed. It will just keep change both and give you a set of combination कि आप यहाँ पर अगर कैमरा को रखेंगे you will get this kind of lighting, and this will be the camera settings for this lighting. It's like that. To assess the lighting condition, we can use the P mode to see कि camera settings हमारी base क्या रहेगा. Every starting point, everywhere when we go to photography, we have to assess the lighting, and this is something which can be helpful. आप ट्रायल एंड टेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं. वी कैन बी ऑन द मैनुअल और एपर्चर प्रायोरिटी, शटर प्रायोरिटी, उस पर भी रह सकते हैं. बट वी हैव टू टेक मल्टीपल शॉट्स इन डिफरेंट सेटिंग्स एंड सी दैट हाउ द रिजल्ट्स आर कमिंग. और वी कैन टेक a test shot with the P mode. We will see that how the photo is coming, and we can use the same camera settings in other modes. Manual में we can control both aperture and shutter speed, both. But in aperture priority, we can only control aperture. As its name suggests, कि aperture priority, we are prioritizing aperture. Aperture means we are trying to control depth of field. Depth of field concept, no clarity. You have little bit?
Little bit, I believe, but
not. In last workshop, I explained. Okay, so depth of field is a kind of core of photography. So it means that we want our subject in good focus, but some part behind and some part in front will start becoming out of focus. तो movies में जैसे हमारे पास scene रहता है ना, there will be a lot of blurriness in the background. पूरा blur रहता है, दिखता नहीं है clearly. That's because of the magic of depth of field, and we will be having a aperture kind of कि वो after we can say few feet, it will start doing lot of blurriness. Bokeh उसको effect बोलते हैं हम. अगर background में lights हैं हमारे पास, small LED lights and all, it will create a circle. So those circles we call that bokeh. That is the technical name of those circles, bokeh. So that bokeh only create when we have a good distance, or we can say good aperture is very shallow, or there is a distance between the subject and the background is quite much. So aperture, when we say depth of field, it means we have to work on three aspects to control depth of field. The first aspect is the aperture number. So how small the f number is, that shallow will be the depth of field. यानी कि अगर आपका aperture 5.6 पे आपको depth of field इतना मिल रहा है, you will have a focus on your subject like this. Some part will be in front, some part will be behind, and you can say focus, rest will become out of focus. तो 5.8 पे अगर आपको 5.6 aperture पे अगर आपको इतना depth of field मिल रहा है, 11 पे we will be having quite big. So it depends again. The next factor is the focal length. Focal length, like the camera जो आपका lens है, उसमें number mention रहता है 18 to 55. So 18 to 55, the smaller the focal length, the number, lens number will be the maximum the depth of field you will have maximum. बट जितना बड़ा बड़ा f नंबर करते जाएंगे उतना शैलो डेप्थ ऑफ फील्ड उतना कम होता जाएगा. सो वाइल्ड लाइफ फोटोग्राफर्स 500, 600, 400 mm लेंस यूज़ करते हैं जस्ट टू मेक श्योर कि जब वो बर्ड की या एनिमल की फोटो ले तो डेप्थ ऑफ फील्ड कम रहे. सो एनिमल विल बी इन गुड फोकस बट रेस्ट थिंग विल स्टार्ट बिकमिंग ब्लर, तो वो सिनेमैटिक फील आता है. सो दैट्स द एडवांटेज ऑफ बिग फोकल लेंथ. इसीलिए वाइल्ड लाइफ फोटोग्राफर्स बड़े बड़े लेंस लेके जाते हैं. नहीं तो छोटे लेंस से भी फोटो आ सकती है ना, इट विल कम बट दैट क्वालिटी विल नॉट बी देयर. जो हम इफेक्ट चाहिए अपने को डेप्थ ऑफ फील्ड का वो इफेक्ट नहीं रहेगा. एंड द लास्ट फैक्टर इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द सब्जेक्ट एंड द बैकग्राउंड. तो जितना बैकग्राउंड दूर रहेगा उतना वो ब्लरनेस बढ़ता जाएगा. सो लाइक दिस द बैकग्राउंड वी हैव राइट नाउ, लेटर यू कैन सी इन द वीडियो कि जैसे जैसे वो दूर होते जा रहा है. सो दिस ट्री विल बी इन लिटिल फोकस, द नेक्स्ट ट्री विल बी इन समवेयर इन फोकस, द रिमेनिंग विल बी क्वाइट ऑलमोस्ट इनविजिबल काइंड ऑफ. इतना ब्लर हो जाएगा वो. So we'll be having that effect of the depth of field again. So when we are working on this limitation, we have prioritized that we are working with depth of field. We are in aperture priority, and what we want from the background. We are playing with the depth of field. तो हमारे को जो main जो focus रहता है वो background पे रहता है. Photography में the background is more important than subject. If you don't have a good background, you may struggle with the quality of a photo even if the subject is really good. So you have to take care about the background also. In today's workshop also, when you are taking photo, take care that कि background में कुछ distraction तो नहीं है, ऐसा तो नहीं है जो subject से attention हटा रहा है. That we call distraction. That's the definition of distraction. That we should take care कि हम photo ले रहे हैं but nothing is behind like that कि वो डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है फ्रेम को. सो दैट शुड बी वेरी क्लीन. जितना हो सकता है अपने को क्लीन बैलेंस्ड फ्रेम चाहिए. आई विल कीप टेक फोटोज एंड शो यू एग्जांपल एंड आई विल आस्क यू टू जस्ट ट्राई टू क्रिएट अ सिमिलर शॉट. दैट्स हाउ यू विल लर्न एंड that's how I learned actually. When I tried to study a lot of professional works, I did this practice कि मुझे वैसा क्वालिटी चाहिए फोटो में. So I did lot of effort, थोड़ा स्टडी किया and somewhere I try to reach that quality. Then I start doing my all improvisation कि मेरा कैसे करना है उसको further. How can I improve? Because we all have our different vision. So सबका अलग अलग देखने का नज़रिया रहता है. Maybe some things I can notice, you could not notice, or maybe something you can notice but I am not able to judge कि उसमें भी कुछ है, उसमें uniqueness. So everyone is unique. Anything about aperture? I think we have covered everything. Aperture के बारे में. Yes. Yeah. So whatever I said, you got it. Yeah. That's what thing. Okay. The next is the shutter priority. When we say shutter priority, it means we are trying to control the shutter speed or camera speed, exposure time. All these are different terms for the shutter speed. It means either we want to freeze the motion with high shutter speed, or we want to show motion blur. If someone walking, हमारा शटर स्पीड अगर थोड़ा कम रहेगा, स्लो रहेगा, तो वो जो मोशन है वो एक ट्रेल की तरह दिखेगा. यू मस्ट हैव सीन सम फोटोज़ की नाइट फोटोग्राफी में लाइट ट्रेल्स रहते हैं. लाइट की लाइंस रहती हैं गाड़ियों की. सो दैट्स द मैजिक ऑफ लॉन्ग एक्सपोजर. इट मीन्स आपकी जो शटर स्पीड थी वो अराउंड 15 सेकेंड्स या इवन 10 सेकेंड 8 सेकेंड ऐसा कुछ था. सो दैट्स वाई दैट फॉर द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम इफ समवन इज पासिंग, it's creating a line of that. So that trail only becomes visible because of long exposure, or we can say that slow shutter speed. So slow shutter speed जो हमारा रहता है आपका 1 second 2 second single digit में रहता है. You can see this camera. In camera also you can see. Go to info. This one. Oh, you have to turn it on. It's on. Yeah, info button. It was not on. So this is the your shutter speed. You can control with the front dial button. This one.
Okay.
So we will be on 250, but if you go to lower, just move it down till, and you can see this. This is single digit. This is 1 second. So all that single digit what you can see in your camera, that's in seconds. There are some camera, we can say manufacturers जहाँ पे वो they don't show that 1 by something. So उसमें वो ऊपर मार्क करता है pointers. They have different way of telling that it's not a second, it's a fraction of second. When we say 1/250, it's a fraction, 2/50th of 1 second. It means 2/50th part of 1 second. Just imagine, 2/50th part of 1 second. So it's too, we can say, fast, but it's still not that fast. It can counter-attack the nature light. Just imagine how the powerful nature light is. That's the power of nature. That 2/50th part of 1 second also not good enough to block the light. We can get good photos even at that shutter speed. So, but that shutter speed is required to freeze journal or slow motion, gentle motion like people walking. That's what I teach in street photography. If we have 1/250 shutter speed, we can freeze slow motions. Slow movement we can freeze. But if you want to show motion in your photo, then we will have to be on the slow shutter speed around 1 second, something like that. Depends कि आप क्या effect create करना चाहते हैं. If 1 second is sufficient, नहीं तो we can further go down 5 seconds, 8 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. You can go up till 30 seconds in your camera settings. If you try to go beyond 30 seconds, then you have to be on manual mode, M mode. After 30 seconds, it will show you bulb mode. Bulb after 30 seconds. If you try to just change it, no, slow it, take it till 30. Keep change. Bulb. So what it bulb says, it is also telling capture
like fireworks.
yes, yeah, it's telling you the usage, but the thing is, bulb is something you are turning off and on. जैसे घर में हमारा ट्यूबलाइट रहता है ना, बल्ब रहता है, we have to turn it on with button and then we have to turn it off with button. I think the same conceptual term introduced in this bulb के नाम से कि हमने ही शटर को जहाँ से चालू करना है बटन से, from the shutter button, we will press it, it will start capturing it, but until you press it again, it will keep capturing. Until वो your आपके बैटरी पूरा ड्रेन हो जाए या फिर उसके जो लिमिट है वो उसके कैप्चर हो जाए. इफ़ यू आर इन द वीडियो, देयर आर लिमिटेशन फॉर वीडियो, बट उसमें बल्ब मोड नहीं रहता, उसमें तो रिकॉर्डिंग है. सॉरी, बट इन फोटो वी हैव दिस बल्ब मोड. एंड वी आर इन द ऑटो ISO टुडे right now. So even if you are in the manual mode, your auto ISO will help you to get good exposure. But we have to avoid high ISO when we are in low light condition. अभी तो light अच्छा हो रहा है, so auto ISO will help you. But in low light condition, we should avoid auto ISO. And the last is the programmable flexible mode जो मैंने आपको बताया. So it will give you different combination of camera settings. So what we will do right now, we will take one test photo of anything. Better to take photo of something which is very near. This tree will be the nice subject. And we will be always on the full focal length, 55 mm. Yes, we will be. We will just stick to this. We will take a test shot of the tree with the P mode and show me the camera settings what you get.
On कैसा है? On ही है ना?
It's on only, na?
Okay.
Yes, it's
I
on
have to
only.
just
So
take
you
the
have to
picture?
just press halfway. Just see, you can see through this. You can see through this. So just press that. Press halfway. Take focus and press it.
Oh my God.
So you got 1/250 shutter speed, as I said. आपका aperture you have 5.6. That's the lowest it allows.
Yeah.
And ISO was in auto and 1100. And you?
Sir. Click हुआ
okay.
भी कि नहीं? नहीं.
Let me just show the play button. No,
Okay.
it's not. Doesn't click. You have to take focus and then click. Do you see that green box coming when you press halfway? I think you are not pressing it fully.
Okay.
So once you press it, it will give you beep and blink on the dot. Try it once.
1000.
This is a different. No, that was manual. This is the P mode. And then we switch to manual. In P mode, we have the same lighting, and in the manual also we got the same lighting because the light improving, you got less ISO क्योंकि पीछे sunlight अपना rise हो रहा है. So sun is rising, so light is improving. So ISO तो नीचे जाता जाएगा. And you, did you check?
Yes, sir.
So you got similar result. The similar quality. Yeah.
This I didn't.
This one was.
Like
This one was.
This was the one.
So similar lighting.
Yeah.
So this is what we do in professional world कि अपने को एक test photo लेना है. Recently I got a comment in my YouTube channel. Someone said कि why we need to take photo? Better to just press it halfway. Button P mode में halfway we can press the button and we can see the camera settings. But that is something you can check for the real time. But you don't have anything reference.
Yeah.
You don't have any reference photo to check it later also कि camera settings क्या था. So I think for some it may work. For some it's better to take a photo for the reference so you can keep check the camera settings. So it's up to you how you want to work. But उसको अच्छा नहीं लगा. उसको लगा why I am taking photo in P mode. Okay. So I think camera settings we have
P mode,
covered.
I believe it can be used as a quick reference.
Yes. Yeah. At least you can recognize that and during that time, that was the camera settings. It was the optimal camera settings for the exposure, good exposure.
That's a top trick.
Okay, for exposure control in difficult light conditions, I think that's pretty much key how we control the exposure in light condition and all. We are using auto ISO. That's the one way of helping to compensate that whatever the light condition, auto ISO will try to help you to give you good exposure. But again, try to not use it with the high number because अगर high number रहेगा ISO का, it will give you quite good grainy effect. So अगर बहुत ज़्यादा grainy effect है, so it may not be usable photo. Usable means it's not advisable to share such photos with anyone.
Okay.
जो बहुत ज़्यादा grainy है, बहुत ज़्यादा excessive. If it's little bit is there, grain effect, you can convert that photo to black and white. I think that's what I given you in the feedback also.
Yeah,
कि अगर आपने वो डॉग की फोटो ली थी, so if you could have converted into black and white, it would have been lot better. So it will look like a quite vintage kind of retro जैसा feel आता है उसको फोटो में, जैसे black and white movies कर रहे थे. तो so those grainy effects look good on black and white. And so, but better try to avoid it if possible. क्योंकि जितना clean image रहेगा, you will find it that lot of details are there. क्योंकि grainy effect की वजह से details चला जाता है. If you try to recover those कहते हैं grainy effect, if you try to reduce, try to apply noise reduction. हमारा जो editing software में term रहता है noise reduction. It means you are trying to blur out all that noise. जो भी grainy effect है, उसको हम blur effect से almost invisible कर देते हैं. What it do, it will add one layer in the photo with blur effect. So blur effect से क्या होगा, जो भी उसका जो particles हैं वो blur हो जाएंगे. But again, it's doing blurriness for everything जो आपका फ्रेम में है. So आपकी जो डिटेल्स हैं वो भी blur out होंगे. So you will lose the details also. So that may work in journal photos. But अगर डिटेल्स फोटो में जाएंगे नेचर में जहाँ पे आपको डिटेल दिखानी है फ्लावर की, लीफ की, ब्रांचेस की, इफ़ यू आर गोइंग इन डिटेल्ड फोटो और वहाँ पे नॉइज रिडक्शन अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, देन इट विल नॉट बी गुड. क्योंकि वहाँ पे वो डिटेल्स ही नहीं रहेंगे. और टारगेट इज टू कैप्चर डिटेल्स. सो जस्ट कीप चेक ऑन दैट ISO कि बहुत ज़्यादा हाई तो नहीं जा रहा है. एंड उसका बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस क्या है कि आप अलग अलग ISO नंबर्स पे टेस्ट फोटोज़ ले सकते हैं. लेटर यू कैन डू इट, यहाँ पे भी कर सकते हैं. लेटर घर पे जाके आप चेक कर सकते हैं कि किस ISO नंबर पे कितना क्वालिटी आ रहा था फोटो का, कैसा क्वालिटी आ रहा था. सो यू कैन चेक दैट. सो दैट्स हाउ वी डेवलप आवर स्किल्स फॉर ISO. एंड कंट्रोलिंग एक्सपोजर इन डिफिकल्ट लाइट कंडीशन इज जस्ट क्वाइट सिंपल कि आपको लाइट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अलाउ करना है कैमरा में. एंड व्हाट आर द पॉसिबल वेज टू अलाउ लाइट टू द कैमरा? हाउ? व्हाट आर द पॉसिबल वेज? ISO is the first we discussed. The remaining is aperture and shutter speed. These are the two more terms, and in total we call these as exposure triangle. Exposure triangle means we are using some three components to manage the exposure in our frame. That's why we call exposure triangle. तो shutter speed आपका जितना low रहेगा उतनी ज़्यादा लाइट वो अलाउ करेगा, उतना ज़्यादा लाइट वो कैप्चर करेगा. एंड अपर्चर आपका जितना छोटा एफ नंबर रहेगा इट विल बी लार्ज अपर्चर. वी से लार्ज अपर्चर, स्मॉल एफ नंबर, स्मॉल अपर्चर, लार्ज एफ नंबर. तो अपर्चर को हम लार्ज स्मॉल क्यों कह रहे हैं? इट्स लाइक ए आई इन द लेंस. लेंस में एक कंपोनेंट रहता है, डायफ्राम बोलते हैं उसको टेक्निकल टर्म में, बट इन कैमरा सेटिंग्स वी कॉल दैट अपर्चर. इन अपर्चर विद अपर्चर सेटिंग वी कंट्रोल द डायफ्राम, वी कैन से डोर कि वो कितना ओपन और क्लोज रहे. So on small f number it will be full open. In large f number it will start close. तो जितना close होता जाएगा उतनी लाइट कम आएगी. That's how we control. अगर बहुत harsh sunlight पे हम काम कर रहे हैं then we have to be on the high f number और high shutter speed. So we have to check what is our priority. हम shutter speed high कर सकते हैं क्या? हमें aperture उतना ही चाहिए. But if we have option to open the aperture, then we will open the aperture. We will just, or not open, we will just close the aperture, I should say. So you should be on 55. Right in the front. हमारे क्या डिसाइड किया था? Focal plane. इसका focal plane क्या है? What it means focal plane? Focal plane means we have a line in front of us and our depth of field will defined by that line. वो एक line रहेगा. तो वो line में जो इतनी भी elements रहेंगे एक line में, वो focus में आएंगे. तो इसका एज टू एज हमको फोकस में चाहिए लीफ का. अच्छा. तो वो इसका फोकल प्लेन ये हुआ. तो अब अगर यहाँ पे इसके सामने आके फोकस करेंगे यू विल गेट एज टू एज फोकस. सो अगेन यू आर नॉट एन एज टू एज. यहाँ पे एग्जैक्ट इसके सामने आइए, एग्जैक्ट सामने. यस, आई शुड से दिस इज द बेस्ट फोटो. जस्ट सी द क्वालिटी. जस्ट सी द क्वालिटी. 55 mm, you also have 55 mm. Do the magic again. यहाँ से again the wrong angle. सामने से. हाँ जी बताइए. हाँ, got it ना?
It's good.
Yeah, you can try a little more close if it allows. Yes, try. Just see कितना close allow कर रहा है. And rule of third. Keep in mind that we are following rule of third. What I've done, मैंने इसको विद पर्पस आगे लेके आया हूँ ब्लर आउट करने के लिए. जो येलो इफेक्ट आ रहा है इसका आ रहा है. आई फोकस्ड ऑन द बैक वन. राइट. आई फोकस्ड ऑन द बैक वन. तो उसने जो फ्रंट का था उसको ब्लर कर दिया. Adds just little bit of portion to create a frame. That's how we create framing, by adding elements around the subject. मेरा जो सारी वर्कशॉप में एक सिंगल एम रखता हूँ मैं अपना, that I will have some good photos which can be fit in my portfolio. Okay. Simple aim. Yeah. 3 photos at least. I should have 3 photos जो मेरा पोर्टफोलियो में जाके फिट बैठता है, जो it's meeting my standard. जो मेरा क्वालिटी है फोटो का वो 3 फोटोज तो आ जाएं एटलीस्ट. अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई एम गेटिंग मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. सो दैट शुड बी लाइक आवर एम एवरी टाइम व्हेन वी आर गोइंग फॉर फोटोग्राफी आउटसाइड. अपना एम रहना चाहिए कि 2 या 3 फोटो तो बहुत ऐसे निकले जो कहीं पे वॉलपेपर में सेट कर सकते हैं. सेट्स ऑफ पोर्टफोलियो काइंड ऑफ फोटोज. सो आई डू नॉट सी एनी एंड हियर. आई कैन कीप फाइंड. जितना देर हम यहाँ रहेंगे मुझे कुछ ना कुछ मिलता रहेगा. This one. Because the light is so good, you can play with this. I really like this. And later you can further improve your composition by cropping. थोड़ा दाएं बाएं से क्रॉप करके you can further enhance that quality. जो भी थोड़ा बहुत distraction है साइड में, जैसे कि ये फोटो है, just see this photo. तो इसमें जो साइड में एलिमेंट आ रहा है ना, I may not include in final composition. मेरा composition कुछ ऐसा रहने वाला है. This will be the full, but my composition will be like this something. मुझे साइड का वो जो distraction है वो नहीं चाहिए. This will be. हाँ, cool. Yes. इसको लेटर क्या है ना, यहाँ से क्रॉप कर सकते हैं फोटो को, तो थोड़ा एंगल टिल्ट कर सकते हैं एडिटिंग में. So there are a lot of improvements we can do later also. चले? Now we'll go to near that water body. पॉन्ड के पास जाते हैं. सीधा. Where the highlights? Just imagine, just wait, just hold it down. I'll take one more shot without it. Just see both photos.
Yeah, what a difference.
Yeah.
So you can easily ask someone to create a diffuser for you. It's really amazing. Okay, ma'am. Improvement time now. This is my gadget for improvement.
अच्छा,
नहीं, हम मॉनसून का भी वेट कर सकते हैं. Just see. Did you observe?
yeah. It's very visible.
Ha! It's really amazing. It's like little rain. है ना?
बहुत सही है. Wow.
It's like rain. It's rain falling. It's nice.